Hi, my name is Julia Pelletier. I'm a drawer, textile designer and a teacher. My work can be seen on printing garments I did when I had my own label, Que Pasa Julia. I have also collaborated with clients like Editorial Planeta and Tactum, and museums such as the Mirror Foundation, Picasso Museum and the MNAC in Barcelona. I love to create inspirational notebooks full of references, materials, colors and composition derived from nature. From this inspiration, I create unique pieces of clothing using different techniques, playing with colors, drawings and textures. Printing and manipulating textile is a great art form that allows me to expand my creative freedom and gives a new life to my old garments. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to print on fabric combining different techniques. Your final project will be a beautiful and unique print applied on a garment from your wardrobe. We will create an inspirational notebook where we will define a concept by looking at references, selecting a color palette and our fabric, and choosing our garment. The first technique I will show you is called sublimation, a magical process in which we will transfer drawings painted with a special ink. Then I will teach you how to use textile spray to create beautiful effects. I will show you how to create a manipulated textile using a felting needle. This will give your fabric a beautiful volume. The last technique will be doing a collage on your garment with a printed manipulated textile that will give your garment a colorful texture. Finally, I will show you how to take care of your print to make it last longer. For this course, you will need special ink for sublimation, textile spray, interlining double face, fabrics, brushes, scissors, an iron, a dryer, flat recycled materials, a special needle and a foam for felting, masking tape and an A1 cardboard. You won't need any previous knowledge, just curiosity and the wish to be creative. Create beautiful prints and give a unique charm to your garment.